everyone, my name is Kylie and I'm a full-time student. I've actually spent the past few weeks studying for a very important final exam, and that means the state of my room is pretty much neglected. So now that the exam is finally over, I think it's really time for me to clean up my room. For the past few weeks, I haven't really had the time to vacuum the floors, mop the floors, tidy up my room and wipe things down. My mom did mention that that may be the cause of my breakout on my face. So I think today is really the time to get cleaning. Let me introduce you to my trusty little helper for today that I'm super excited about. Let's open it. Look at how cool this is. So this is the Dreame cordless vacuum in the latest model T30. Honestly, never ever imagined myself to be able to say this one day. But thank you so much to Dreame for being so kind to send this to me. I am just super excited to be receiving this. You know, you're slowly turning into an auntie when you start getting excited over cleaning appliances and household appliances, pots, pans, and those kind of stuff. Whoa! Oh my gosh, there are so many attachments. Dreame is a smart consumer technology company that specializes in cordless vacuums and robot vacuums. They are also actually a part of the Xiaomi ecological chain since 4 years ago. You can choose the different modes for the suction level from the display screen, and you can also choose the continuous cleaning mode so that you don't have to keep pressing onto the button while you clean, which will be very helpful if you're cleaning for a long time.
Used to cry alone at night, tears had to stain my eyes, but with you it's like I never felt that way. Phone's been ringing 20 times, I don't seem to mind, cause you're bothering me in the best way. I can be a fool for the little things you do to get hold of me. Chocolate and roses on a Wednesday night. This feels so.
Okay, I think I'm done vacuuming my room for now. And look at the amount of dirt and hair and dust and just gunk I have. I've literally only vacuumed my floors in the room, which isn't even that big. I'm not sure if you can tell from here, but it is a lot. And I have to say that I really like the suction power because it's really strong and it's just so effortless doing my job with this.
Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do. You got me falling and I owe it all to you. Baby, I love you so I don't know what to do. Take a little breath and push aside.
And I'm done. So I'm finally done cleaning my room and I'm just so happy now because the whole place just feels so much cleaner than before. I think this will be the end of today's video, so thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Stay tuned for more videos because I'm on a 3-week break now, so I'll have all the time in the world to make more videos. Yay! Thanks for watching again and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!